How to use Facebook Collab feature step by step. To use the Facebook Collab feature, first of all, you have to enable the co-author content with another account before posting. So go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your device. Now you simply have to tap on the plus icon on the top right corner, then tap on the post option or the reel tab. Then proceed to select your media. Once you select it, go ahead and proceed to edit it and then tap next on the bottom right corner. Now within this posting option, you should be able to find this tag people option. Once you tap on this, you should be able to search for the username. Go ahead and tap on your co-author of the post, then tap tag person. Once you do this, you simply have to now go ahead and then proceed to send them invitation for collaboration by tapping on the share now button on the bottom right corner. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.